Hello learners, in this lecture we will study regression analysis. Regression analysis is a statistical technique that expresses the average relationship between two variables in the form of a mathematical equation. It establishes the average relationship between two or more variables in the form of an equation through which the value of one variable can be predicted for a given value of the other variable. The variable whose value is estimated is termed as dependent variable, and the variable that is used to estimate the dependent variable is called the independent variable. Types of regression analysis. Simple and multiple regression analysis. A simple regression analysis is one which is defined to only two variables, say x and y, or price and demand, or advertisement expenditure and volume of sales, etc. In such cases, the value of one variable is estimated on the basis of the other value of the variable. The variable whose values are estimated is called dependent, regressed, or explained variable, and the variable that serves as the basis of determining the value of the other variable is called the independent, regressing, or explanatory variable. A multiple regression analysis, on the other hand, is one which is made among more than two related variables at the same time, say x, y, and z, or say over sales price and income of the people. In such analysis, the value of one variable, say sales, are estimated on the basis of the other remaining variables, say price, goods, and income of the customer. Linear and nonlinear regression analysis. A linear regression analysis is one which gives rise to straight line when the data relating to the two variables are plotted on a graph paper. A nonlinear regression analysis, on the other hand, is one which gives rise to a curved line when the data relating to two variables are plotted on a graph paper. In such cases, the regression equation will be a function involving the terms of higher order like y is equals to x square, y is equals to x cube, etc. Total and partial regression analysis. A total regression analysis is one which is made to study the effect of all the important variables on one another. For example, when the effect of advertising expenditure, income of a people, and price of the goods on the volume of sales are measured, it is the case of total regression analysis. A partial regression analysis, on the other hand, is one which is made to study the effect of one or two relevant variables on the other variable. Methods of studying regression analysis. There are different types of methods to study regression analysis, but there are two methods: graphic method and algebraic method. Two lines of regression. In regression analysis, there are usually two regression lines to show the average relationship between x and y variables. It means that if there are two variables x and y, then one line represents regression of y upon x and the other shows the regression of x upon y. So in this lecture, we have covered studying regression analysis. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.